Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to change your home screen wallpaper on the BuzzTV 6 app and customize the look and feel of your device. To get started, navigate to the right side of the top row on the home screen and select Edit Home from the Settings pop-up menu. Next, choose Edit Main Wallpaper. From here, you'll see several wallpaper options to choose from. You can select a solid color that matches your current theme. You can choose from our pre-made BuzzTV wallpaper collection. You can pick a wallpaper from a storage device, either from internal storage or a USB drive. You also have access to two online wallpaper libraries, the Unsplash library and the Pexels library, each available as separate options. At the bottom, you can toggle TMDB content on or off. This uses metadata when available to replace the wallpaper on VOD and TV series content. At the top of the menu, you'll also find an option to reset everything back to default if you ever want to undo your changes. That's all there is to it. Personalizing your BuzzTV 6 wallpaper is simple. Way to give your home screen a new look. Thanks for watching!